In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bundle on your Payhip store. Whether you're looking to offer your customers more value by combining several products at a discounted price, or you're aiming to streamline your offerings, bundling can be a powerful tool. Let's dive right in and cover each step in detail. First things first, you'll need to log into your Payhip account if you haven't already. Once you're in, head straight to the products section. This is your central hub for managing all the items you sell through your store. From here, you'll be able to create, edit, and organize your products efficiently. Now we're going to add a brand new product to your store. You'll want to look for the Add New Product button. It's typically displayed prominently on the screen, making it easy to find. Once you click on it, you'll be presented with an option to create a bundle. Select this option to start building your package of products. With the bundle option selected, it's time to configure the details. Let's start with the title. You should think of a descriptive and enticing name for your bundle. This is what your customers will see first, so make it catchy yet informative to grab their attention. Once you've settled on a title, it's time to add the products you want to include. Click on the Add Product button, which will allow you to select from your existing inventory. Be strategic about the products you choose. Consider what items complement each other well, or what your customers frequently purchase together. This way, you can create a bundle that offers real value. Once you've selected the products, it's time to think about pricing. Navigate over to the Pricing tab, where you'll have several options. You can offer a one-time payment, which is straightforward and convenient for many customers. Alternatively, if you're looking to generate recurring revenue, set up subscription payments. Here, you can also specify the duration for recurring charges, such as monthly or yearly. And if you're feeling generous or want to provide a sneak peek into your offerings, creating a free pricing plan is an option as well. Throughout this process, remember to review your configuration. Double-check that your bundle's name is catchy, the selected products are correct, and the pricing is set as you intended. This preview step is critical to ensure everything is just right before you launch. There you have it, a comprehensive way to create a bundle on your Payhip store. Following these steps will not only help you enhance your product offerings, but also potentially increase your sales by providing customers with more value. Thank you for watching, and enjoy bundling your products with confidence.